Hi everyone, good morning and good evening to everyone. Thanks for joining today's Salesforce Marketing online training from svtechsoft. Okay. Our trainer is Harshit Suri. He will take over for today's session. Harshit, I have given control to you.
Yeah, sure.
Take over for today's demo. Guys, actually, I would like to inform you today is just for demo. We are planning the regular batch, okay, from Monday onwards, 31st Jan. Just some bit change in the date and time. Okay. Yeah.
Hi guys, a warm welcome to our Marketing Cloud demo today. My name is Harshit Suri and I am 4x certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, and I have 5 years of experience in marketing automation. So today I will be walking you through the entire concept of marketing automation and how we can achieve marketing automation using Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform. So let's not waste the time and let's quickly proceed to know more about today's era of marketing and marketing automation and how Salesforce Marketing Cloud is beneficial for us in automating the regular processes as well as increasing our return of investment and increase our sales and product services, sales of products and services. So guys, you must be aware of this term marketing. You must be hearing this term in day-to-day basis in your life. So every company or every business you can see on your streets in your local city, or every business you can see on social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, all, or any place like websites, promotions, etc. You will see companies promoting their products and services. So what is marketing, guys? Marketing is nothing but making people aware of their products and services. Earlier, marketing was performed in traditional way, like distributing pamphlets, displaying advertisements in televisions, newspapers. So companies used to follow the traditional way of marketing, wherein they were not much capable of attracting more and more customers in order to sell their products and services. So guys, let's see what is marketing. The definition of marketing is the auction or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. So marketing is nothing but the promotion of promotion or selling of products and services. Today, marketing is something that every company and organization must implement in its growth strategies. So, guys, in order for a business to grow, it has to has a strong presence. It has to has a strong marketing strategy so that they can attract more and more customers who to whom they can go and sell the product. So any business you see in day-to-day life, whether it is your local business or whether it is a nationwide business or whether it is an international business or international company, you will see that companies spend a lot on marketing activities. They go and publish advertisements, they go and send SMS, they send emails. So such sort of efforts are being followed by companies in order to promote their marketing strategies. Many companies use marketing techniques to achieve their goals as they work to promote themselves and increase sales of their product or services. These days, marketing is one of the key aspects of business. So companies are using marketing techniques to achieve their goals. Some company wants to increase their sales, or some company just wants to increase just want to make people aware of their brands and services. So every company has a definite marketing strategy which they apply to achieve their goals, to promote themselves and increase sale of their products or services. So marketing is the backbone of any business. So guys, we have seen two type of marketings. One is the traditional way of marketing and one is the modern way of marketing. In traditional way of marketing, you are aware that you use common channels like televisions, newspapers, banners, pamphlets, distributing banners, pamphlets manually. So these all are the traditional way of marketing. But as as today's the era of digital evolution, we have so much of devices. We have laptop, we have mobile, we have desktop, we have tabs, we have smart watches, we have smart television. So we have a lot of digital devices in which people are interacting on day-to-day basis. So the marketing has shifted from traditional marketing to modern way of marketing, where instead of distributing pamphlets, instead of displaying banners, ads on newspapers, instead of manually reaching their customers and making them aware of their products and services, they are trying to reach digital channels. Okay, they're trying to reach on your mobile phone. They are trying to reach on mobile phone via email. They are trying to reach on mobile phone via SMS. They are trying to reach yourself via push notifications. They are trying to reach on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So with the evolution of technology, the needs of marketing has also changed. So every people now interact with digital devices. Okay, so in coming days, you will see 100% of population will be using the smartphones, at least a smartphone in day-to-day day life. So the sale of smartphone, you are aware that it has already increased and up to the highest level since past few years. It will keep on growing. Companies will be bringing cheaper solutions of smartphones, tablets, mobiles, so that it can make those devices affordable to public. So as more and more smart devices are being purchased by people, that means that people are have started to interact with those devices. That means they have started to generate the data. Okay, what type of data? Suppose you used your smartphone to went on Amazon's website. You have seen a Levi's jeans, or you have seen a top. If there is a female, she has looked for a top of a popular brand. She has shown interest in buying that particular product from Amazon. So she has generated a sort of data. What data she has generated? She has made Amazon aware about her likes, her gender. So if you go on Amazon, Amazon will ask you to sign up first. In that sign up form, Amazon will ask your first name, last name. That means you have provided the data as first name and last name. Amazon will ask your phone number, email address. That means you have also provided your personal data of communications in the form of phone number and emails. Now you have also Amazon will also ask the gender, your date of birth, your anniversary if possible. So all these kind of informations Amazon wants to pre-fill. Amazon wants you to pre-fill in order to make any product, any purchase on their website. So now when you have provided these details, you will go and you will search the product. You will search for a jeans or a particular top or any product on the Amazon. So you are making Amazon aware that what are your likes. You like black color jeans, you like yellow color top. So these all are the small data which people on day to day basis try to generate with all these smart devices. And Amazon keeps a record of all this data. Why it keeps record of all this data? Because Amazon wants to customize their products and services based on your need. Okay. Now today there is a era of customization. Nobody wants a generic product. People want that every product should be customized as per their needs and requirements. And in order to customize products and services as per people's need and requirement, we will have to read the data. So unlike traditional marketing, there was no data generated when you distributed pamphlets, when you put banner on your street or anywhere famous place in your city, or when you are advertising on a television. So that is a one-way advertisement. They are not able to gather your data. But with the shift in technology, with the increase in consumption of smart devices, people are interacting with those devices on day-to-day basis. That means they are generating a lot of data. And those data company can utilize to customize their products and services. So next time, suppose if you if some female or a girl went on Amazon and put into a cart a yellow color top and she fails to buy that, Amazon is such an intelligent platform. It will trigger an email immediately within 15-20 minutes of inactivity on their platform that this is the product which you have saved in your cart. It will provide a link in order to purchase that product into that email, as well as it will give more recommended products. It will give uh, it will give the same yellow color top of other brands. uh, it will be checking out which pricing you have applied in your filter. So based on the same price range, they will give some product recommendations. How this was possible? This was only possible because Amazon is capable to read the data generated by users. So unlike traditional way of marketing, today is an era of data driven marketing. What is data driven marketing? Companies are using data generated by people on the devices, on the digital devices, in order to customize their products and services for them. So let's see what is data driven marketing in details. What is data driven marketing? Data driven marketing is the approach of optimizing brand communications based on customer information. So next time if Amazon sends the product recommendation email with the product which she has stored into her cart, you will see Amazon is addressing that email with your first name. Okay. Hi Harshit, hi Sunil, hi Sumit. So this is the first sort of data that Amazon has utilized to address each and every email they are going to send with personal names. Okay, data-driven marketers use customer data to predict their needs, desires, and future behavior. So as a, as the female went and put a yellow color top on Amazon's website, Amazon is capable to read that data to make predictions about females' needs, desires, and future behaviors. Okay, and then Amazon will automatically send product recommendation emails with product, like it will show the same color top of different brands within the same price range she has opted on on its website. Such insights help develop personalized marketing strategies for highest possible return of investment. So reading data and making decisions on the data available with them will definitely help Amazon to personalize marketing strategies, okay, and to increase the possible return of investment. So Amazon know that how many people are female, how many people are male, how many people are interested in buying Levi's jeans, what is the most successful brand on their website. So based on the data available with Amazon, they will customize the marketing strategies and they will optimize to get highest possible return of investment. So this was not possible with traditional way of marketing. This is only possible with the help of data driven marketing. So data driven marketing is the modern approach to sell your products and services. So now, guys, what is marketing automation? So now we have started to work on data-driven marketing. Amazon has identified that yes, this girl is interested in yellow colored top. Let's say, but she has not purchased anything from their website, or she has not made any purchases. So Amazon will send the products left into the cart as well as some product recommendation. So nobody is going to manually send you an email, okay? Because if Amazon starts to manually send email, they will be they will become bankrupt the next day. Because Amazon is such a huge platform, Flipkart is such a huge platform, Walmart is such a huge platform that they cannot send every emails or SMSs manually. So there has to be an automated process which will enable the platforms to read the data and to take next best decisions. What is next best decisions? In case of our Amazon, that female went and put some products into the cart. So Amazon reads the data that it's been 15-20 minutes, there is no activity. It will send a product recommendation email as well as a reminder email to the same female who has left product into the cart. So reading data and taking next best decisions automatically is known as marketing automation. Okay. So let's see in detail what is marketing automation. Marketing automation helps you identify potential customers, automating the process of nurturing those leads to sales readiness. Now, guys, you have seen a term leads. What is lead? Lead is your potential customer. Suppose I went on Amazon's website and I saw some products, or I went to a physical store. Suppose I went to Big Bazaar or Reliance Smart or any physical store. That means I am showing an interest in their products and services. So I will be their lead. Now you will see when you go into physical store, you will see a lot of people addressing your queries. There are attendants. Suppose you went to buy a refrigerator or a television in Reliance Mart or any superstore, physical superstore. So whenever you enter, you will be allocated a person who is a specialist about that product and services, and he will make you aware of the features of that particular product. So what he is doing, he is nurturing the lead. That means you as a lead showed interest in order to buy product in refrigerator from that physical store, and you have been allocated a person who will be telling more about that product and services. That means he is nurturing you as a lead to sell their product. Okay. In similar way, in the marketing automation, whenever you get a lead, brands will try to nurture those leads by sending promotional content. Like in case of our female went on Amazon, put a yellow colored top. So she had showed an interest that she is a potential lead for Amazon, but she haven't bought that. Okay. So maybe she got a urgent work, or she had a phone call. Then she left that the same product into the cart and she went to attend other work. She caught up immediately. So Amazon will try to nurture the lead. Amazon will send the same product into their email, as well as will give product recommendations, will try to make you aware of more details about the product you have left into the cart. So Amazon will try to nurture you as a lead. So how this is possible? This is possible due to marketing automation, because Amazon has read your data, has identified you as a potential lead, and will start to nurture your lead until and unless you make a purchase complete on their website. Okay, so marketing automation helps you identify potential customers, automating the process of nurturing those leads to sales readiness. For instance, let's say a particular customer is reading about a broad category of products. So a customer went on their website and he is reading about a broad category of products on their website. This might indicate that they are at the beginning of purchasing process. This might indicate that they can be your potential lead, because they want to purchase something, though they haven't purchased, but they have at least shown interest and visited your website. So you as a brand will consider that this person might be interested in your product and services. Okay, so this might indicate that they are at the beginning of purchasing process, researching and comparing while preparing a shortlist. So the customer will try to research on their website, will compare different products, and will shortlist some products. If they later download white papers on a specific product, that means if they later went and see more detailed description of that product, or if you have given any PDF or any white papers which the the customer can download, that can indicate a narrow focus and a readiness to be contacted by salesperson. So if I went on a website, I searched for broad categories of product, I downloaded something, that means I have shown interest in their services. The website is uh, capable to identify me as a lead, and that information will be passed to the sales team of that particular company, so that my salesperson can reach out to me via phone or email. So you must be aware of this process. If you visit on website, you try to download something, and it will ask your email address, phone number before you download that. And if you download that, then 1 day or 2 day after, you will get a call from the same company salesperson telling more details about that product. So how this was possible? This was possible by marketing automation, because you as a user has generated data on their website, and system is capable to read your requirement and take next best actions. So bringing together information from touch points, including website visits. So how you can get data? You can get data while somebody is visiting our websites and making some downloads. Social media activity, like you went and commented on a particular product. So systems that you have generated data on social media platform, and direct marketing enables automatic scoring, qualifying, and prioritizing of leads. So there are various touch points where you can get the data. You can get the data from your website visits. Somebody has downloaded, somebody has interacted with your page on social media, or somebody has directly contacted you. So there are various touch points which you can use to gather data and take next best decisions. What all are the next best decisions you can take? You can trigger based marketing messages, like we saw in the case of Amazon. So as soon as you left a product and didn't make purchase, Amazon has triggered a marketing message. That means immediately within 15-20 minutes, Amazon system is capable to trigger a marketing message based on the user behavior. Infrequent drip feed emails to maintain interest. So suppose you went to a website and you have no, and you saw the contents there, but for a month you didn't visit that website again. So you will get a drip feed email that it's been a long time you haven't visited our website. So this is an automated process which we can create using marketing automation, which will which will enable your customers to maintain interest for their brand. So if you haven't purchased any product on your Amazon for 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months, Amazon will send you an email that last time you have made purchase. This was the product you have purchased. Here is a 20% coupon which you can use in order to make your new purchase. Or the Republic Day is coming, so they have provide just went sorry, so they can provide some personalized coupons and everything. Facebook or Twitter messages. So brands can post Facebook or Twitter messages as well. So suppose you went and you commented on their Facebook or Twitter handles. So you will get an auto-generated reply. Thanks for contacting us, or thanks for your valuable feedback. So this is the type of this is these are the some examples of marketing automation which brands use in order to interact with your customers. So now, guys, how to define marketing automation? This is a type of workflow which we will be creating into Marketing Cloud in order to interact with our customers. So the workflow will contain entry point, if else condition, actions for yes, actions for no. So these all type of workflow which you can create with marketing automations, so that you can keep your customers interacted with your business. For example, I went on your website and I signed up for a newsletter. Okay, you can see the entry source is newsletter. Now, after 7 days, uh, if you haven't purchased anything, suppose you went on a website, you signed up for a newsletter, and it will wait for 7 days. If you haven't purchased anything, then automated email will be sent to you with 20% email coupon. Okay, if you have purchased something from their website, that means that data is available within our system. Based on that, we can take actions to make you purchase more products. For next time, you will be sending a 20% coupon. If you haven't purchased, then you will be inviting to a webinar. That means you will be personally attending customers' queries and making them to purchase any product after clearing their doubts. So this is a type of workflow, a simple workflow which we can automate. Wherever we get a new sign up, we will wait for 7 days. If that sign up hasn't purchased, then it will be invited to a webinar. Or if he has made a purchase, we will encourage him to take a next purchase with 20% coupon. So this is a type of workflow we can create, and this workflow is nothing but a customer journey. What is a customer journey? Customer journey is a workflow which you will enable your customers to interact with your particular brand. In this workflow, in this journey, we have tried to gather signups from customer. We have waited for 7 days. If he has purchased something, we will encourage for a next purchase with 20% coupon. If he hasn't purchased something, we will call him to a webinar. So this is a type of journey which we can create and automate, which will help us to make our customers interact with our brand. Another simple type of journey is user places order, user receives complete order email. So whenever you go and purchase something from your website, you will get an order email. It will an invoice. It will contain your first name, last name, your date of purchase, your bill amount, your product, as well as your product images, and few informations about the warranty of that product. So nobody is going to manually send those emails, build and send those emails. It is a real-time interaction. Whenever you go and purchase anything from Amazon, you get email order confirmation email as well as SMS within 2 or 3 seconds only. So that is helpful with the help of marketing automation. So this type of workflows which we can also create if we are running an e-commerce store, we can automate the generation of emails and invoice, sorry, in order to send to people who have made purchase. Then after the invoice is sent, that means you want to make that user purchase more and more products. So user receives related product recommendation emails. So you will automate a process wherein after the first purchase for next 12 months that user should get product recommendation emails, like to encourage him to purchase other products from their website as well. Then again user places another order. So this is a type of workflow or automation which you can create, or journey which you can create in order to make your customers interact with your particular brand. So now guys, we have seen about the workflow. We will see in details what is the customer journey. As I told you, it is nothing but the workflow which we create in order to make our customer interact with our brand. So what is a customer journey? A customer journey is a series of steps a customer goes through during a touch point within a company. I have discussed about touch points as well, but all of the touch points, suppose somebody clicked an ad on about your product and services anywhere, or somebody has read that email, somebody has made a purchase, somebody has returned an item in the store, somebody has talked to a service agent about your company over the phone, somebody has went and downloaded a white paper, somebody has redeemed a coupon. So these all are the touch points and many more, sorry, these all are the few touch points I have highlighted on which you can automate the process. So if somebody has opened clicked an ad, and you are aware that which ad was clicked and by whom it was clicked, but he hasn't purchased anything by clicking an ad, you will automatically send uh, emails and SMS and try to nurture your leads so that he can make a purchase. Or somebody has read an email about your product and services, then you can take the next best action. That means reading an email is also an interest by a customer, that he is interested to buy some products or services, or making a purchase on their website. So if somebody has made a purchase, you can send invoice and product recommendation emails. If somebody has returned an item into the store, then you will have a series of emails that yes, your item is returned. Then after 3-4 days, you will be passing the quality check. Yes, the returned item is of original quality. And then after some time, you will send automatically the return initiation email. That means the item was of 100 rupees. So first the item was returned, you send a return confirmation, then after 3 days you will be automatically sending um, the quality check email that the quality check is passed. Then after 3 days you will send a return initiation email, and after 3-4 days you will be sending return initiation complete email. So these all are a type of emails or series of journeys which you can create when somebody goes and returns any product. Talking to a service agent on a phone, somebody went and inquired about any services of a company from a phone, that agent will ask your email and everything, and then it will send you a brief of everything which was discussed, and will try to send more recommended products. Or somebody has downloaded a white paper or have redeemed a coupon. So based on these touch points, we can create our customer journeys, uh, so that we can keep our visitors interacted with our company. So journeys are the building blocks of individual customer experiences. So what is a journey? It is a building blocks of individual customer experiences. There are hundreds of ways people interact with business every day. Everyone's interaction takes place in different ways at different time, in a different order, on different media, with different technologies. So with the evolution of digital technologies, people can interact with your brand over phone, people can interact with your brand over website, over social media platforms, or they can physically go into your store. So we have enabled customers a lot of options which they can use to interact with your brand. So you should design such journeys to increase the customer experience uh, for every customer who will be visiting on your website. So in order to increase customer experience, we'll have to create an automated flow. That automated flow is only possible with the help of marketing automation. And with the help of marketing automation, you can create customer journeys, which will enable you to increase customer experience of your customers. So now, what all are the marketing automation channels, guys? We have email marketing, push notifications, web personalizations, social medias. These are the few channels, okay, which we can utilize in order to reach our customers in an automated fashion, in a marketing automated fashion. So, what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? We'll see. But any questions on marketing automation so far? Any doubts? Anything you want to clear? Any questions? Okay. So, in order to achieve the marketing automation, guys, we have a product called Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This is the number one product which is built by Salesforce and is a leader into marketing automation field. So let's see what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce for Marketing is built on world's number one CRM platform. So you must be aware of CRM, Salesforce CRM, Sales and Service Cloud. So on the same platform, Marketing Cloud is also built. So it is also built on number one CRM platform. It enables you to know your customer, personalize with intelligence, and engage across the entire journey. It will help you to know more about your customer, their behaviors. You will be able to read the data generated by customers. You can personalize based on the data generated with the intelligence and engage across entire journeys. That means you can engage across social media, phone, SMS, push notification, email. So every channel you can engage that particular customer. It is the only integrated customer engagement platform that enables you to deliver personalized customer engagement at scale on every channel, from email to web, mobile, social, digital advertising, marketing cloud covers it all. So all the channels which you can think of to reach your customers, Marketing Cloud is an integrated platform which will enable you to read the data generated by customer, to take next best action, and to reach them at any preferred platform they want. If they want us to reach via phone, we can reach via phone. If you have your brand's website, we can publish a notification on the website. If you have a brand's app, we can send them push notifications. If you have emails, then we can send emails. If you want to post on social medias, we can go and anytime post on social media. So all the platforms, all the channels are integrated with Marketing Cloud, which will enable us to facilitate data-driven marketing. So what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys? It is a one-to-one journeys platform in which you can create journeys. So I showed you the example, the workflow that was a type of small journey, but we can create more complex journeys with Marketing Cloud. We can store contacts, like we can store the data generated by our customers in the form of contacts. We can create contents are nothing but the assets, like email messages, push messages, SMS. Okay, these are all the contents we can create. We have channels into Marketing Cloud, which are email, SMS, push notification, social advertising, web experience, group messaging. These are all the channels. If you want to send any message over WhatsApp line, we can also do that. We can also integrate WhatsApp as well. Analytics, after we have sent email, after we have done everything, we will be concerned about the analytics, how our products and how our customers are interacting with our products and services. Then we have an analytics feature where you can pull reporting of a particular campaign or a particular journey which you have built, so that your stakeholders can take decisions. If the journey is returning you some investment, then we'll proceed. If it is not at all returning any investment, then you can change the strategy of that particular journey. It will help you to pull analytics of a campaign and will help you to take or modify the strategies which you have built. And apps, we can connect third party apps with Salesforce Marketing Cloud as well. Suppose we want to um, no, you want to integrate Salesforce Sales and Service Cloud also, then you can definitely do. If you want to integrate any other CRM like Microsoft Dynamics, or if you want to integrate Shopify or any other platform, you can definitely go and integrate with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So these were all the some features of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what all are the products we have into Salesforce Marketing Cloud? We have Journey Builder to create cross-channel consumer engagement. We have Email Studio for email marketing. We have Salesforce DMP, the data management platform. For mobile messages, we have Mobile Studio. For social, we have Social Studio. Salesforce Data Studio, it is a data sharing platform, and we have Advertising Studio. So these are the products and services which we have into into Marketing Cloud. So now guys, how to access Salesforce Marketing Cloud? mc.exacttarget.com is the URL which we will be using to access Marketing Cloud. We'll go into this URL for you. It is not a free source, so you will have to get a login ID and password in order to log into Marketing Cloud. So after you enroll, you will be getting login ID and password, and we will be providing everything, the account access in which using which you can start your digital journey. And now guys, in Marketing Cloud, you have seen studios and builders. What are studios and what are builders? We have seen Email Studio, we have seen Journey Builder, Automation Studio, we have seen Analytics Builder. So these are the some channels which we have. So what are difference between studios and builders? Studios are nothing but the specific channels like email channel, mobile channel, and builders are nothing but the platform which you will be using to create the workflows in order to interact or in order to increase your customer experience. So studios consists of email studio, mobile studio, social studio, etc. So all these are the channels which you will be reaching to your customer. And what are all the builders? Builders represents the platform or tool that help you build and manage personalized customer journeys. So how you will be creating customer journeys using the builders like Journey Builder. So we will see in details when we cover Marketing Cloud. When we log into Marketing Cloud, we will see in details in our regular batches. So now, guys, we have two type of data models because Marketing Cloud is a data-driven marketing automation platform. So definitely, data will be generated within Marketing Cloud. So we have two type of data models: list-based data models and contact-based data models. So these two are the data models which define your approach, your data segmentation, and everything into the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So we will, in order to push for marketing, we will have to gather data, segment it so that we are utilizing the right data for our communications. So in order to fetch those data, we have two type of data models. We will see in detail when we cover Marketing Cloud. We will see what is list-based data models, content-based data models, what are the benefits of list-based data models, benefits of content-based data model, and what are the demerits of list-based data model and demerits of content-based data model. We will cover everything when we will start regular batches. Now we will be studying contact builders as well because we will be following an approach of distributed data in which our data will be distributed into multiple tables. So we will use content builder to join our different tables. We will see how to design such type of data view so that you can utilize the data available in your system for the marketing communication. So we will be using content builder. In content builder, we will be seeing data extension, all context data sources, what all are the sources you can bring in data. We will see how to use that. We will see Marketing Cloud Connect. Marketing Cloud is nothing but an installed package which will help to synchronize all the data available into Sales and Service Cloud. That means Salesforce. With Marketing Cloud Connect, we will be seeing how to sync custom and standard objects from Sales Cloud and Service Cloud to Marketing Cloud and use them for marketing automation. We will see how to import the data. We will be seeing data designers, how to design our data. We will be seeing contact deletions, how to delete the data available, and we will be seeing the best practices. The most important thing which we will be seeing here is Marketing Cloud Connect. Marketing Cloud Connect, as told earlier, it is a synchronization or a system in which Marketing Cloud will enable Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Community Cloud to be integrated and work as a same platform. As of now, Marketing Cloud has a different URL. Salesforce has a different URL. They both are individual platforms. Similarly, Community Cloud has a different platform. So with Marketing Cloud Connect, we can use all these four platforms and we can use them as a single source in order to build our marketing automation strategies. We will see how to use Marketing Connect when we will see details in our classes. Later, after marketing automation, we will see what all are the Marketing Cloud APIs, So suppose you have a website or you have any other media presence, so you won't be manually interacting with your customers. Okay, suppose I went to purchase any order on Amazon, it will send me an email within 2 or 3 seconds, or at least, or max to max 1 minute. Okay, so how that is possible? That is a real time approach. It is only possible by APIs. So we have two type of approaches where you can upload the data manually, or we can have an API approach. So we will see all type of approaches, and we will see how to make our marketing automation act real time. In order to make our marketing automation act real time, we will have to know about Marketing Cloud APIs. So this also we will cover. Then we will cover email studios. We will try to create such type of interactive emails based on the customer's data available. If he is a man, if he is a woman, if he is a travel junkie, or any type of data available with us, based on that data, we will be personalizing the email experience for that particular customer. In email studio, we will be seeing the basic administration part, but our subscribers list, all subscriber list, exclusion, publication list, suppression list, data extension, how to create and send emails, but all on the type of sends, whether it is a triggered send, that means real time send, or a manual send, what is A/B testing, or what are the tracking key performance indicators you can pull in order to check your campaign performance. So with Email Studio, we will be studying everything in details. We will also see what is a global can spam law, in because there has to be some law in order to regulate the authenticity of an email. You must be seeing plenty of emails are marked as spam. So if your email is landing into spam, that means nobody is interacting with your email. That means it is a waste of your communication or waste of your marketing strategy. We will see the best practice how to get more and more engagement over emails. We will see what is in details what is a can spam law. Further, we will be seeing what is sender authentication packages into Email Studio. It is an account branding feature. Uh, this sender authentication package is must in order to implement Email Studio into Marketing Cloud. So we will see in details what is the SAP sender authentication package and how we can use it in future. Further, we will be studying about MScript because we are using data-driven marketing approach into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We will have to deal with data and take next best decisions. Okay, so we will be using MScript. MScript is a type of coding language or scripting language into Marketing Cloud, uh, which will be helpful to manipulate the data available. We will see how to use MScript in order to create our emails, dynamic emails. Okay, I'm not talking about static emails. Static emails are nothing, are the emails which will not change based on the customer data available, but dynamic email will definitely change. So people went on the Amazon's website, she will be getting a dynamic email based on the products and services which she has opted in. Similarly, if I go and put revised jeans, then I will be getting the another type of email. So we will see how to use how to create dynamic emails using MScript. Further, we will see web studios. What is a web studio? Web studio is nothing but to create cloud pages, any page which renders on the browser, which is open on a browser. Suppose website. Okay, so we will be trying to create cloud pages as well. What are the cloud pages? Here is an example. So in order to get a lead, suppose from if you have a website and you want to gather the lead, because you will have to get the customer details first in order to create or in order to go for marketing automation. We will try to create such type of cloud pages which will help us and will integrate on the website, which will help us to get more and more leads from, so that we can indulge them into data driven marketing. So with the help of cloud pages, we will be trying to create such type of forms as well. Then we will see mobile studio. In mobile studio, why we have we'll be using mobile studio, because see, you get hundreds of emails on daily basis. You will only open 5 to 10 emails. That's all. But when you get hundred of SMS, you have a tendency to open more than 90% SMS because they lies on the notification bar of your phone. So knowingly or unknowingly, you will be seeing that message. So 90% is the open rate of a particular message. So we will be seeing how to use mobile studio, how to send SMS as well. We will be seeing in mobile studio administration messages, mobile push notifications, and best practices. If you want to send SMS, if you want to send SMS, how to use messages feature. If you have an app, how to integrate that app with Marketing Cloud, and how to facilitate mobile push, how to send notifications in app messages. Suppose you have a notification tab in your website, or in your app, then you open that tab, you will see a series of notifications. How to use that notification tab to send messages and the best practices. So we'll see in Mobile Studio, we'll see about Group Connect, Mobile Connect, and Mobile Push. What is Group Connect? Group Connect is nothing but you can integrate a line message, Facebook messengers with Marketing Cloud in order to send messages over Facebook and line. You can integrate WhatsApp as well. We will see Mobile Connect, how to send SMS and MMS text messages using Mobile Connect, and mobile how to send push notifications using your app. So we will be seeing everything. Okay. One more feature is there important. This is a location based feature. Suppose you must have ordered something from Zomato. When that guy is near your location, suppose 100 meters near your location, you will get a location based push notification that your guy is reaching your destination shortly. That means Zomato has read the location of that particular guy and has triggered a push notification. So we will see how to use the location entry and exit points as well in order to personalize and create our push notifications. Or another example is, suppose you go and travel with the train. So I have traveled it plenty of times. So every state you cross, you will get a message that welcome to Maharashtra, welcome to Madhya Pradesh, welcome to Tamil Nadu, welcome to Karnataka. So these are the location entry and exit points which we can utilize in order to create our push messages. We will see everything when we cover into class. Further, we will see Automation Studio and Journey Builder. A brief, I have shown you what is a journey, how to create automation, what are the workflows we have. In Automation Studio, we will see what is the Automation Studio, what is SQL and how to utilize SQL in Marketing Cloud, what is Journey, how to create Journey, what are the Sales and Service Cloud activities which we have. Sales and Service Cloud are nothing but uh, it will be available when you will be using Marketing Cloud Connect feature in order to integrate Sales and Service Cloud. We will be seeing administrations of Automation Studio, some real-time scenarios and errors and best practices. We will be covering everything in details. So just to give a glimpse of Automation Studio is nothing but an ETL tool, extract, transform, load tool. So in order to extract the data, transform and load the data, we will be using Automation Studio. So because you will have to segment your data, you will have to transform your data in order to create marketing automation journeys and workflows. So Automation Studio will be helpful to play with our data available within Marketing Cloud. So now after data is available, we will be then creating customer journeys. I have also made you aware what is customer journey earlier. It is nothing but a type of workflow which you create in order to increase brand's presence or customer's experience in front of a particular customer. So we'll see how to segment data using Automation Studio and how to use that data into Journey Builder. So this is a type of workflow which we will be seeing here. So we will be getting data from CRM, we will be getting data from e-commerce websites. We will use Automation Studio to extract, transform, load our data, and then we will push our data to Journey Builder and we will have decisions applied. So we will see how to utilize both Automation Studio and Journey Builder in order to facilitate our marketing automation approach. We will be trying to see such type of customer journeys. The earlier journey was a bit simple, but this is a bit complex journey. Suppose whenever a new patient record is created, suppose some patient went into a website of that into an hospital. That hospital will create a new patient record. As soon as the record is created, the email will be triggered. Welcome to patient health portal with some basic information. After one day, an automated email will be triggered on board one portal tour and education. Then after 2 days, an automated email will be again triggered to enroll in paperless registrations. So if suppose user has not enrolled in paperless, it will get a reminder paperless email. If he has enrolled, then he will exit. Similarly, you must have switched your jobs. So whenever you take a new job into any MNC or any company, as soon as the offer letter is released, you will get an automated email. After a few days before your joining date, you will get one more automated email making you aware about the checklists you have to, or pre-joining formalities. After your pre-joining formality is complete, if not, then it will send reminders. Then if pre-joining is complete, then it will send then one email will be sent before 1 day of joining, highlighting key contacts and everything you have to contact on the first day of joining. So when you have onboarded, when you have joined, you will get a congratulation emails automatically that thank you, congratulations for joining with this and this company. Then after that, after 7 days, after that email, you will get an agenda for next 7 days. Okay, what all things you have to take care into company. You will get every cafeteria details, transport details, and everything. Then after 1 month or 2 months, you will get a feedback email on the onboarding. Uh, uh, how was the recruitment process? How was the onboarding? Please give us a survey. So these type of journeys which we will be creating, we will be seeing examples how to create them into Marketing Cloud. Further, after we have created marketing automation, we have sent emails, communications, tracking data will be generated. That tracking data will be helpful to check our campaign performance, how our campaigns are performing, how the strategies we have implemented is performing. If we are not getting enough return of investment, then we should change our strategy. So in order to identify how your strategies are performing, we have analytics builder to pull the tracking KPIs, key performance indicators of marketing automation communications we are going to send. So using analytics builder, we will be building our custom reports and marketing cloud, which you can share with your company stakeholders, marketing people, the high marketing stakeholders who can take decisions. And last but not the least, we will be seeing deployment manager, because in marketing cloud we will have a test account and a production account. You will be developing everything into test and then migrating automatically to production. So we have a deployment manager. I will show how to use that deployment manager. So guys, that was a brief we will be seeing in marketing cloud for next 3 to 4 weeks after you enroll. So any questions so far? Anything which you haven't understood, let me know. Mm-hmm.
Hi, sir. My name is
So,
Kamal.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Harish, so regarding any development things to be needed, any
Yeah.
prerequisite?
Yeah. So develop no prerequisites. I will be making you understand the MScript, how to use MScript and all. So these all are the some development languages. If you don't know anything, no problem. I will be making you aware from the scratch.
So no need
MScript.
of Apex or VF pages,
No,
knowledge,
no, that is a
hooks
different
concept.
platform. No, no, no. We have different concepts in marketing cloud. No Apex Lightning and all.
Okay. So here for deploying, you as you said in the last deploying, do you use any
Deployment.
chain set or AND tool or DX
Yeah,
Copilot,
deployment
anything?
manager is the tool. No chain set, but it is a simple tool to migrate all you have built into test into production.
So in the Salesforce, we'll be having some sandboxes and production UAT, QA, and full copy or partial copy in that way. So do we have any sandboxes in the same way like here also?
No concept of sandbox in marketing cloud. You can create business units. One business unit you can consider as sandbox, and one you can consider as production.
So development and testing in one, and directly we are moving to production. That's it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Any questions? Any other questions?
so how many days will be the class for the marketing cloud, sir?
3 to 4 weeks depends,
3 to 4 weeks.
because yeah.
So we can manage for 3 to 4 years experience.
Yeah. 3 to 4 years experience is enough to enter into marketing cloud and do good. Just you have to understand the platform. start giving interviews, read the basics, and you will be surely getting the call.
Okay. So as he told, we don't need Apex language or some other language for the marketing cloud. Just we need some scripting language, I guess, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, so for marketing cloud, we have different set of languages. We have server-side JavaScript, we have MScript, we have Transact SQL, TSQL. We in Apex in Salesforce we had SOQL, SOSL, but we have TSQL in marketing cloud. Apex is a object-oriented language, but we don't have such type of languages. We have MScript because we have to interact with contents, right? We have to interact with emails, web pages. So we
Okay.
have a
SQL
different set
also
of
will be handled in these classes. So
yes, yes. MScript, all the basic functions I will be covering.
okay, everything is will be covered within 1 month. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Do we get
So
any
how
reporting?
was the notes? Sir?
Sorry.
Notes means like class notes and the recordings also will be provided. Class
Yeah,
recording.
yeah. Recordings will be
Yeah,
provided.
okay. Each and every class will be recorded. After class, within 10 minutes, you will get recording.
Okay.
Oh, sir, in marketing cloud, is there any coding? Is there?
Yeah, there is an MScript language which you will have to study, but you can work without that language as well. But if you want to achieve greater personalization, if you want to get data distributed into different tables and pull them into a single email or SMS, then we'll have to use MScript. So that no worries, I will be providing each and every concept of that MScript. I will make you understand the basics. Later, you will catch that language. Then you can Google the concepts and you will be able to code in your own way. But basics, I will be making you understand.
How are the opportunities for marketing cloud at present? There
Opportunities in what?
in at the present market for the Salesforce marketing cloud.
See, if so we have a lot of opportunity and the manpower is very less because every company will be using marketing a lot because marketing is the backbone. Okay, they can't use Salesforce, but they will be using marketing cloud.
Okay.
Opportunity is surplus. Every brand will be using marketing cloud. Every brand, small, big.
Okay. Maybe in future there are a lot of implementation you guys for the marketing clouds in Salesforce.
A lot of implementations in Salesforce. No, marketing cloud is a different platform. You can use Salesforce altogether. See, I taught you about data model. I just gave you a brief. So if you do not want to create your own data model, but you want to pull the data model which is present into Salesforce, okay, you want to pull the same master details, lookup relationships, and custom standard objects, you can use the same data model within marketing cloud. If you do not have that integrated, then you can build your own data model. So I will be showing both ways. If you have and if you don't have.
Oh, okay. So it may be from SAP, Oracle, people, some other systems as well. We can pull the
Yeah, yeah.
data.
Any system, any CRM system, any ERP system, any point of skill system.
So we can extract data. Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Guys, actually, we would like to add some point here. Okay, the Salesforce Marketing Cloud org, it's not a free of cost. It's completely paid one. Okay, but actually within this particular training program, we will share you the org also for 2 months access. Okay, 2 months org access will be provided. Okay, we are planning to start regular batch from Monday onwards. So many people is already enrolled. If you want enroll, please contact us with svtechsoft. Okay.
Or what are the class timings from Monday?
Class timing morning 7 a.m. IST.
Okay.
100% it will start from Monday because a lot of people is already enrolled this week only. We will start the batch from Monday onwards, 31st January. Guys, do you have any other questions so that Harshit can help you?
Yeah, I have a question. This is Kiran.
Yeah, hi Kiran.
Yeah, hi Harshit. Actually, I am from digital marketing background.
Okay.
How can I survive in this platform? I am new to marketing cloud, but I know DV360. Hope you know about that one, right? So,
So see,
how can
DB360, we have why I told you in marketing, we have a separate data management platform. You will be using your digital marketing concepts, which you have learned so far into marketing automation. We have slight different concepts in marketing cloud, which you will understand when I will teach you. Okay, I will give you all the live industry scenarios, how Amazon is working, will show you everything. So which you can relate what you have studied in digital marketing. In digital marketing, you have must have studied about SEO and all. So that is not the marketing automation. That is only for the website you have built. But marketing automation, you have all the channels integrated and you will have to play with the data. Okay, the communication part is easy. Whether you want to send emails, SMS, everything that is easy. But how to create that data, how to segment data. So suppose you have got an order. So Amazon has an order. So Amazon has different data sets. You will have to pull those different data sets and will have to place into a single email. Okay.
yes?
So I should say in digital marketing you were not having such concept. You were only dealing with a single email list or a single SMS list. But in marketing cloud we have a distributed data approach. We have workflows and automations. We can take next best decisions. So in digital marketing, you cannot take any decision if somebody has downloaded something from your website. So what all are the series of steps you want to take next? You cannot do that. But in Salesforce, you have a capability to do that. So like you told about a data platform, we have similar type of platform in marketing cloud. That is the most enhanced platform, which I will make you aware of.
So, thank you, Harshit. So, what I understand is you are explaining about the campaign manager.
Campaign manager role you can go, but I will be providing you developer knowledge why
So
to become a
what
campaign
about
manager.
campaign manager?
See, if
So,
you want to become a campaign manager, that's fine. You don't have to go into too much technicalities. But
yeah,
definitely,
actually,
Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer will earn 3 times more than a campaign manager because
yes.
you are going to be. Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry.
Harshit. Please carry on. Please carry
Yeah. So see, if you do not want to indulge into coding, just you want to get a brief concept of marketing automation tools and services into marketing cloud, and you just want to be a campaign manager, that's fine. My training will be focused on marketing automation developer. Definitely, that developer is going to earn more than a campaign manager.
on. Okay. Okay. There is any coding
No,
knowledge required?
I will be providing knowledge on MScript.
MScript. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So suppose you don't have any knowledge, I will start MScript from beginning. Okay, so you will come to know basics of that MScript, how to write logics and everything. Then you can proceed. Because see, if you want to excel in IT, somewhere you will end up with a code. Okay, suppose you are a digital marketing background, you don't code. But when you will work on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, at some point, anywhere, you will have to code, or you will have to at least have a basic knowledge of that code, or the
Yes.
yeah. In IT, you can't survive. See, you can survive, but at some time you will be meeting with the code because of the customization. Not
Yeah,
all
actually,
platforms. Yeah.
yeah, actually, that is what actually I'm asking. Marketing Cloud developer means it's related to AMP script and JSON, or otherwise installation process, and that means the product installation, creating some of the VF pages related to SFMC, or integration between SFMC and any other products in Salesforce like CPQ. These are all things marketing developer should do, or otherwise only related to email templates designing and some of the forms
No,
creation.
no. See, email template designing is only a one part. Okay. I told you in marketing automation, what you have to do, you have to play with the data. Your data
Yeah.
can be present in CPQ. Your data can be present in CRM. Your data can be present in ERP. Your data can be present into a normal database, MySQL. Your data can be present on your desktop in a CSV file. So,
Yes.
so you see, email designing email is not so much of worry. Okay, if you don't want to code, we have a drag and drop functionalities as well. Designing SMS is not of a big worry. You will have to gather the data, segment the data, make it useful, then you will be sending communications. The data can be distributed. So as of now, I will be helping you how to integrate Salesforce with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So Sales and Service Cloud, I will show you examples how to utilize data present in Sales and Service Cloud and Marketing Cloud. For other platforms like CPQ, you can relate that. And what is guided template language classes? Guided template, definitely I will be covering GTL classes as well. Why? Because emails will be designed using GTL. So I will be using. What does it mean by white paper? White paper is nothing but a PDF file. Suppose I am running a Salesforce Marketing Cloud Institute, and I have attached a PDF file on my website where users go sign up on my website, see for the content. In order to get more details about the content, I have given an option to download that PDF, the course content. That is called as white paper. White paper can be anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Can non-technical
Thank
graduates
you.
also can do this course, and possibility of getting job is also there, right?
Yes, yes, definitely. Non-technical people can also do. See, you will have to have some technical concepts in order to survive marketing cloud in marketing cloud. So I will be giving all those concepts. Later, if you start to work with experience, you will get everything. Because before me starting with marketing cloud, I was also a non-technical guy. So I have been working on marketing cloud from 5 years, but before 5 years, I was not knowing nothing about this platform. So in 5 years, I have learned so much. So if you start today, then next 5 years you will become a master. You will be earning the desired package you want. And there is no competition in package, guys. You can get as much package as much you want based on your competitiveness. It's an open challenge for package in marketing cloud because it is a technology. It is not something which is like digital marketing. Digital marketing is not a technology; it's a concept. But marketing automation is a technology. To learn marketing cloud, do we have to familiar with sales and service cloud? See, we have a use case in marketing cloud where we will be using sales and service cloud data as well, because we have a concept called marketing called connect package. So at that time, if you do not know sales and service cloud, no worries. I will give you a brief what is sales and service cloud. If you know, then that is fine. If not, then I will give you a brief. But most of the companies you will be working will be using both sales service cloud as well as marketing cloud together. So that is why I have included this topic into my course as well.
So one
Anik,
small,
sorry.
one small doubt, sir. So actually, the main thing we learn is the making automation of the data. That is what we do all these things in the marketing cloud automation.
See, I have See, all the things which we have seen here, automation is a simple workflow. Okay, but how you will get this website purchase data? How you will get? I will show you how you will get a newsletter sign up from website. How will get automation will be created in marketing cloud, but you have to get the data right. How to get newsletter sign up data? How to check if somebody has opened or not opened your email? Okay. So from gathering data, segmenting data to making it useful for our automation, every point here, user places order. How you will get order? You will have to design such a system, right?
Yeah.
Amazon has user receives completed order email. How to create this email in which you will get the product image which you have purchased, product price you have purchased, warranty information you have purchased. How you will get after this? After gathering all this data, we can automate this. But these all are the data which we'll have to get, right? User places order, we have to get the data. User receives completed order email, we have to build this email with all the order details, first name, last name, date, invoice, warranty, product image, everything. User receive related product emails. How to create related product recommendations? Like, okay, so if you get these data, then you will automate them. Automation is simple, but the main thing is how to get data from different touch points. What all are the touch points? Clicking an ad, reading email, making a purchase, returning an item in the store, talking to a service agent, downloading white paper, redeeming. These are the few touch points, but we have plenty of touch points.
Okay, I missed all this class. I joined a little bit later. So
So I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
I missed some of the starting class. Okay, no problem. Yeah.
REST API and SOAP API are covering in this course. Yeah, I will cover REST and SOAP API, few examples, like how to import the data, how to run a journey and everything. So few examples I will be covering. And any class providing on segmentation, definitely I have told you automation is an ETL tool, extract, transform, load tool. It has the capability of SQL. So we will be using SQL for data segmentation.
So do we need any certification for this one, sir?
There are 4 certifications. These all are the 4 certifications I'll show you. These all are the 4 certifications. Email specialist, administrator, consultant, and developers. You can choose any of them based on the career path you want to go. If you just want to stay with the email, as you told that you are digital marketing guy and you don't want to go greater, but you only want to stay with email, you can have email specialist. If you want to understand the platform, everything, you will go for administrator. If you want to do consulting work, like helping other people implement marketing cloud, go for consultant. Or if you want to develop cross platform strategies and everything, you have to develop the marketing cloud, then you will go for developer.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions, guys?
Hi, Harshit. I have a question.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Nischal. Like, what is the major difference between Salesforce Marketing Cloud and similar other software that is used for the same purpose? What is the major difference that you have noticed all these years?
See, Salesforce Marketing Cloud's competition are with Marketo, which is acquired by Adobe. We have Adobe Engagement Cloud as well. So those are the platforms which has competition with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. But major advantage of Salesforce is Salesforce has a CRM presence, which is mostly used by every companies nowadays. Salesforce CRM, Sales and Service Cloud. So the companies which are already using Salesforce features and functionalities wants to migrate or wants to take these products as well. If they go with other product like Marketo or other things, they can't integrate seamlessly with their CRM platform like Sales and Service Cloud. So Marketing Cloud is beneficial. The number one benefit of Marketing Cloud is it has provided a streamlined integration between Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, as well as Commerce Cloud and Service Cloud. I showed you that. That is the major benefit. Apart from this, we have some type of integration like push notifications, which is not, which is not greatly practiced into other platforms, or we have a feature called WhatsApp integration, which is not also greatly practiced with other platforms. But the major benefit is, if you already have a sales and service cloud that majority of companies have, will switch to marketing cloud also, instead of giving contract or buying services from a different vendor, they will rely on Salesforce. So all the customers which are currently customers of sales and service cloud, are by default becoming customers of marketing cloud. So there is a large market segment for this.
Right, right.
Any other question, guys? We get certificate of all 4 technologies. So it depends. You have to go. If you can get one certificate as well, email specialist as well. You can get administrator. But if you take email specialist, then you will the prerequisite for getting consultant certified is email specialist, and the prerequisite for developer certified is marketing cloud administrator. So you can identify which background you want to go for, developer or consultant. If you don't have zero coding knowledge, and if you are afraid that you can't do coding, go for a consultant approach. Though I will be making you aware of some coding, which will be helpful for you, but you won't be practicing any sort of coding. Okay. But if you want to become a hardcore developer of marketing cloud, you want to interact with data present in CP2, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, other platforms, you want to develop the custom strategies, then go for a developer. So it depends on you. If you want to code, then go for a developer. If you do not want to code, just want to have a brief knowledge about coding and all things which we can do in marketing cloud, go for consultant. But for all digital marketing people who have zero experience in coding, I will recommend them to go for email specialist certification first, which will boost your confidence. Then get a job. Later in job, they will be helping you to get more certificates, because the main task is to get work first. Okay, with work you will be getting experiences. So get this email specialist certified, get work for 5 months, 6 months, 1 year. Then the company will itself ask you to complete other certifications, and you will have a keen interest getting other certifications as well.
Right. I have one more question. So the coding taught during this entire course, is it enough to, get into Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, or are we supposed to learn something else too? I mean,
No,
gather
that
knowledge
is more than
outside the
enough.
course. Okay.
That is more than enough. I have cleared 27 interviews. That is mine. Okay. I should not tell, but I'm making you assure that I also take interviews as well for my own company. So I will be making you aware of all the topics. Is you hardly get any questions apart from the questions I will be telling you. You hardly get. Suppose your interview will ask 10 questions, you will be in position to answer 8. At least 8 you will be in position.
Right. Thank you, Harshit. Yeah, that is that gives us assurance, I think. Yes.
Sure. And in this course we will learn all technologies. What about all technologies? Okay, all certifications. See, technology is same. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is itself a technology. Okay, it's a marketing automation technology. All these 4 certifications are different aspects or different categories which you can learn in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So as of now, I will be making you aware of email specialist entire course, administrator entire course, consultant entire course. Developer, you will have to practice. I will give you all the briefs, everything, how to kickstart the development journey, but you can't be a developer in one day. Okay, you will have to get experience. So I can assure you, for these 3 certifications, I will give you every knowledge, development basics, and you will be proficient in development in future when you get work. Any questions? Any other questions?
Harshit, to get the like Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, I need to complete the admin as well before that.
What you want to complete?
If I need to get the certified developer, Marketing Cloud developer,
okay,
I need to I need to complete the admin certification as well.
Yeah, admin is prerequisite for developer, email specialist is prerequisite for consultant.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Any other questions, guys?
So you provide all interview questions and you help us during the interview as well, Harshit?
Yes, no worries about interview. I will be giving a set of 50-60 questions in which 80% of questions will be covered for your interview that I will give in the last day. Okay, when you will be confident. If I give it today, you won't be confident.
No problem. Thank you.
Any other questions, guys? And no other questions, so we can close that.
Yes, Harshit, I think we are good to go.
Sorry.
I think we can go ahead. We are good to go.
Okay, fine. So you can get in touch with the institute for any further questions. Okay.
All right.
All right. Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, per day, how many hours are you going to teach?
1 hour daily.
So Monday to Friday, right?
Right. Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Okay, let me stop for today's demo. The regular batch will be starting from Monday, 31st January. Timing is morning 7 a.m. IST. If you need any further details, please contact svtechsoft. I already charted you the contact details. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Asif. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.